So we provide IT support mainly. When an organization is a pure play organization, typically it earns 75% of the revenues from a certain specific area. So we earn our revenues from service and support. So we don't sell stuff, we don't sell boxes. We're mainly an IT support organization. So our philosophy sits just like this. We believe that every business must have a reliable IT infrastructure. So those of us in here involved in IT know that infrastructure is, we talk about security, user support, networking, servers, all the various things that we can touch. Unfortunately, too many organizations think that that is IT. That is not IT. That's just the supporting foundation framework of IT. So this reliable infrastructure needs to be there so that the business applications can run. These business applications, we believe, is where the emphasis and the support needs to be. That's where we actually believe that your focus for the company, if then you look at IT, that's where that should be, because that's where we consider the value of IT can be delivered from. These business applications provide accurate data and information, which informs the business executives to support the business processes and activities, resulting in revenue and profits. So our philosophy is this basic and simple. This part is the cost to the organization, right? And the rest are value to the organization. And this is why globally IT outsourcing has become something that has grown over the last 20 years. Internationally, we are taking it on very slowly in Jamaica because we believe that the cost part of the business, the part that is, sometimes I don't like to use the word mundane, but the mundane part, the part that everybody can do. As we joke around with some of our customers, having another expert in routers and switches doesn't sell any more products. So whether you're an insurance organization, it doesn't sell any more insurance. Whether you're a manufacturer like a Grace Kennedy, it doesn't sell any more corned beef. The fact is that that layer can be outsourced and it can be handled by an organization a little cheaper. And that's why we suggest, and we have created the organization tTech to support that part of the organization. This is where we believe the value is. So the business and the IT manager for the company should focus on the application and data layer. And that's why we have created a tTech consulting to assist in that area. So just in the event that you need assistance in creating this vision, in turning the organization this vision. I used to give presentations years ago on security, and I told IT departments at the time, and told IT managers many years that you guys need to be sitting at the decision table, you need to be in the management meetings, you need to be visiting the board meetings to make presentations, you have to be at that decision layer. IT is that important, and that is the tTech philosophy, that's what we believe. So against the backdrop of this philosophy, these are the products and services that we are currently offering. And we broke down into 4 main areas, actually 5 services, if you look in the handouts that you have. One area, cloud services, which we've been doing Microsoft Office 365 implementations, focusing mainly on Exchange Online. We've been doing a fair amount of that. Because look, why should you have a whole host of servers and plugged into your office's data room, server rack, while we could do most of that in the cloud. So you don't have to have an Exchange server online. The features and functions are the same or even better. So that's kind of one of the things that's been driving our cloud services, along with a fair amount of Active Directory work and the disaster recovery supports that. Virtualization also supports that. Other very important component of our services is just this general IT support. So tTech provides IT support for a wide range of companies. Most of you are customers inside here, some of you are not. Those who are not, we wish that you will become customers in short order. So around this, there's what we call remote or proactive IT support. And that's one of the key differentiators for a tTech. We are not reactive. We don't, our customers are usually informed of the problem after we have noticed it and we have done something to fix it, and then we inform them. Most other scenarios are you realize something is broken, then you call in someone, so all at a time. So our differentiator is being a proactive IT support organization. Security services, which you're here to talk about, not going to elaborate on that because John Gibson is going to tell us a lot more about that now. And then last but not least, we offer voice services. And these voice services, this is actually the only box that we sell. The only thing we sell is actually an Asterisk PBX system. And how we got into it was kind of driven from support. The short version is that most organizations who purchase PBXs don't like it being supported by somebody else, and vice versa. They want somebody to come in to support something which they didn't buy it from them. So we ended up was kind of forced by our customers to actually sell the PBX that we support. So that's the only box that we actually sell. Who are experiencing the wonderful services that we offer? This is just some of our customers, and there are some that are experiencing full IT outsourcing, where we become most of the IT department. So how I explain it simple to people: tTech become your IT department if you don't have one, but if you have an IT department, we are the support for the IT department. So instead of hiring the 3 or 4 or 5 more people, hire the organization, you get 23, 24 strong, 25, I think we just have a new employee started today, 24, 25 strong, supporting your IT departments, maybe 1 or 2 people. And with some organizations, we do partial managed services, so there are some that we're just doing security services for, and then at the bottom, we have some persons that we manage your entire voice infrastructure. So I've implemented a PBX, and we support that PBX system for them.